Threading an embroidery machine is easy when you follow the steps in the correct order. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the threading process to help you avoid common mistakes and ensure smooth, consistent stitching. Guide the thread according to the steps in the video. In the first step, we remove the tube where the thread passes through. Next, we take a long wire tool, tie the thread to its end. And pass it completely through the tube. Pass it through here, place the thread under the round bottom, pull the thread downward and pass it through the hook. Wrap the thread around here twice put the thread here. After passing the thread from underneath, guide it through this hole. Finally, pass the thread through the needle hole and pull it upward to secure it. If you follow the steps exactly as shown, threading your embroidery machine will be quick, clean, and trouble-free.